Few weeks after both chambers of the National Assembly passed the 2021 supplementary budget, President Muhammadu Buhari has assented to the bill. The short ceremony was witnessed by Vice President Yemi Osinbajo, Secretary to the Government of the Federation Boss Mustapha, Chief of Staff Professor Ibrahim Gambari, Director General Budget Office of the Federation Ben Akabweze, and Senior Special Assistant to the President on National Assembly Matters, House of Representatives Honorable Umar El-Yakub. President Buhari commended the National Assembly for the expeditious consideration and approval of the supplementary budget and assured that the executive arm of government would ensure the timely delivery of capital projects to achieve the laudable objectives of the budget. The Senior Special Assistant to the President on National Assembly, House of Representatives Umar El-Yakub, told State House correspondents Monday that the act will be largely focused on funding security and health concerns.
The bill targeted the provision of infrastructure to all the military formations, i.e. defense, civil defense, army, police, and the DSS. All the security outfits in this country will benefit from the bill. Another critical area of concern is the health sector, which of course we know with the pandemic there is need to invest in that sector as well. The President has, having assented to the bill, you'll find that molecular laboratories, about 10 of them, will be established nationwide. And also there are oxygen plants that are also going to be established nationwide, and some rehabilitated, especially the ones in Abuja, as well as procurement of vaccines, including the J&J vaccine.
The President, at an earlier date, also signed the Orthopedic Hospitals Management Board Amendment Act 2021. The Act amends the Orthopedic Hospitals Management Board Act Cap 010, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004, to provide for the establishment of the Orthopedic Hospital Jos, Plateau State, under the control of the Orthopedic Hospitals Management Board, affiliated to the Jos Teaching Hospital, to provide specialized orthopedic treatment and medical services. President Buhari has since departed the country for London for a medical checkup and to attend an education summit on financing global partnership for education GPE 2021 to 2025.